Hi. Car wash. We're going to go to wash a car. We start with the bucket beside us. We dip the, what do you call the thing to, well, let's dip a rag into the bucket. Come back upright. Scrub. Scrub. Reach down. So I'm looking for my torso to go over to the side and come up. And then I want to see a turn as I push across and across. So that's one movement. Another one is to wash the windows. So we're going to do a flexed hand and we go 2 circles out and a circle and another circle to come in. So I'm kind of going small and big and small. And then we're going to do 2 hands together a couple times. Windshield wipers. So we're going to do this for windshield wipers. That's it. Okay? And then we'll see what else happens. You know what usually happens? Something comes up in the middle of it. All right. Start with the snap. All right. Feel sitting bones, sit bones on your chair. Okay, so if we're leaning against the chair, the back of it, we won't feel it. Let's get up. Side to side. All right. Keep feeling it as you snap into that. All right, buckets beside you, full of soapy Sud water. Really think about the torso and how much you can move it. Up, cross. Do that again. Down. Pick it up. Cross. Cross. Again. Down. Pick it up. Cross. Cross. Other last one on this side. Let's do the other side. Reach into the bucket. Up. Cross. Cross. Reach down. Up. Cross. Cross. Last one. Here we go. We go out, in, out, big, big, small, small, big, big, small, big, windshield wipers. Windshield wipers coming down in front. Back up again. And down. All the way down. Ready? To the side. Over to the side. Up. Scrub. Scrub. Again. Down. Pick it up. Cross. Cross. Down. Up. Cross. Cross. Last one. Down. Up. Cross. Other side. Reach. Down. Up. Cross. Cross. Down. Up. Cross. Cross. Down. Up. Last one. Small, big, big, small, small, big, big, small, small, big, big, small. Windshield wipers. Bring them forward. Yeah. Bring those hands in. 2 hands together. Small to big. Big. Small. Small. Big. Oops. Big. Small. Small. Big. Big. Small. 2 together. Hands in. Turn. Other side. And back in. Awesome. Out and in. Clap. Ready? Slide. Up. Scrub. Scrub. Slide. Pick it up. Scrub. Scrub. Down. Up. Scrub. Scrub. Down. Up. Scrub. Other side. Goes down. Up. Scrub. Last one. Excellent. Polish it off. Polish it off. Awesome. Off for a drive to finish. Awesome.